If you ever need to resize a Facebook post design to LinkedIn post size in Figma, this quick workflow will save you a lot of time. Instead of rebuilding your design from scratch, you can use a community plugin to automatically generate the correct LinkedIn version in just a few clicks. This is especially useful if you create social media graphics for multiple platforms and want to keep everything consistent, professional, and fast. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple design tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and locate the Facebook post design you want to resize. On your canvas, click the artwork or frame that contains your current Facebook layout. Make sure you select the full design area because the plugin will use that as the source for the resized version. If your design includes text, images, icons, and backgrounds, selecting the entire frame helps preserve the full composition when the size changes. Next, go up to the menu and open Actions, then go to Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, look for either Thumblisher or Social Resizer. These are community plugins that can help you quickly resize your design for different social media formats. Once you find the plugin, open it and run it on your selected frame. This is the step that connects your current Facebook post design to the resizing tool inside Figma. After the plugin opens, you'll usually see a list of preset export sizes or platform formats. At this point, choose the target LinkedIn dimensions. The plugin will then generate a resized copy based on your original artwork. Depending on the plugin, it may create a new frame, adjust the layout, or duplicate the design into the correct LinkedIn post size automatically. This is the big time saver because you do not have to manually calculate dimensions or rebuild the design by hand. Once the new LinkedIn size version is created, take a moment to review it carefully. Check whether the text still fits properly, whether images stayed aligned, and whether any spacing needs small adjustments. Even though the plugin does most of the work for you, a quick visual review is always a good idea to make sure your final design still looks clean and polished on LinkedIn. If needed, you can make small edits after resizing, like moving a logo, tightening the spacing, or adjusting the font size for better readability. That final polish can make a big difference when you're repurposing content across platforms. And if you create a lot of social graphics, this workflow can help you move much faster while keeping your branding consistent. So, to recap, select your Facebook design frame, go to Actions, then Plugins and Widgets, search and open Thumblisher or Social Resizer, and choose the LinkedIn dimensions to generate your resized copy. It's a simple but powerful way to repurpose content in Figma without wasting time. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Figma tips, social media design workflows, and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.